Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a gradient in Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive right in. First, create a shape on your artboard. You can use the rectangle tool by pressing M and drawing a rectangle. Check the fill and stroke options. If your shape has a stroke, you can remove it by selecting the stroke option and setting it to none, so you only have a fill. Now, with your shape selected, let's open the gradient tool by double-clicking on it on the toolbar. You can modify the type of gradient by switching between linear, radial, and freeform gradients. Let's start with a linear gradient. It creates a smooth transition from one color to another. You'll see a line across your shape, with circles at each end representing the colors. To change these colors, double-click on either circle in the gradient panel. A color picker or your swatches will pop up, allowing you to pick any color you like. To adjust how the gradient flows, you can click and drag along your shape with the gradient tool. You can control the direction and the length of the gradient transition by moving your cursor as you drag. If you want to add more colors, click below the gradient slider to add color stops. You can double-click on any new stop to change its color. Let's also explore the radial gradient, which starts from the center and radiates outwards. You can drag and stretch this gradient using the gradient tool to get the desired effect. Lastly, the freeform gradient allows you to place color points anywhere on your shape. Just click to add color points and experiment with different colors and placements. You can also use lines from the Draw option to tweak your gradient, and that's how you create a gradient in Illustrator. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.